if we look today's social life, there are two kinds of people. One of the successful and other are the unsuccess. So there are few peoples who got the success in their life, and there are a lot of people who are the unsuccessful. Okay, so what is the myth behind the be a successful person? Okay, so we all are here to discuss about the whole mythology or whole things which we want to do if we want to get a success in our life. So I have failure and I have success in my life. So I learned so many lessons from my failure and I work accordingly. So I got means that kind of success in my life. So success is nothing but the consistency. It is nothing but the dedication. It is nothing but to do something. It is nothing but to take the efforts. So I think if anybody wants to become a successful person, he or she should work accordingly. Okay.
Yeah, I agree with you, but I'm not understand dedication. What is mean by dedication?
Dedication. The dedication means the commitment for your work and task. When you achieving one goal, you want to become a successful person. You want to commit that goal. Means you want to discipline. You want to take on discipline habits on that event of around of your goal. That's means commitment. Commitment is also dedication, and dedication is required for consistency, discipline, and habits. Main thing of dedication is habits. The good things and good habits and bad habits. When you give a priority to good habits, it will be more effective your dedications. I think the one quote is I read in the book. The quote is habits is a compound interest of the self-improvement. The self-improvement is important to us.
Yeah, I am totally agreed with you, and I have experience, and I just want to share with you. When I was in 12th standard, I just wanted to become a doctor, but some circumstances, just like my bad habits, like procrastination, like my bad friend circle. Friend circle was just like they every time ignores the studies. They just passing the comments on the teachers and doing all the funs, and they are just roaming here and there in the Latur. Okay, so that kind of friend circle was at that time. So when the result declared, my family scolded me that why couldn't achieve your goal, and as you said that kind of schedule, dedication, and I worked accordingly. First of all, I made a schedule about my education, my study, and I worked accordingly. I maintained that kind of consistency. I maintained devotions, and I sacrificed a lot of at doing there. Means sacrifice nothing but I didn't make any single friend at that time when I was in diploma. Okay, so I got I think 84 marks because of that kind of consistency and dedications only, and I got admission in the autonomous college. So I think that is a big achievement for me in my life, and I think if you want to successful, you should maintain these all things. Okay.
What is mean
Procrastination. Do you think about it anything?
I know the procrastination. I also face the procrastination. The procrastination means I will give one example. You have 3 days of work. Means you want to last date submit. There is one project you want to submit after the 3 days. But first 2 days you just have time pass all the day and spending on non-stop activities. And you just do your work at the end of the time. Means that you are doing your work at the end of the time. Means this is the procrastination. But you complete your task, but at the late, and that's why your proficiency and influence means quality of your work is decreasing due to procrastination.
Okay, means in a nutshell, procrastination is nothing but the laziness about our work. So we should give some priorities. So we should give some importance while doing any kind of work. So I think if anybody wants to successful, he or she just do these all the things, and I think we should stop here.
Do you fear to get engaged in conversations? Afraid of stage? Due to this, losing big career opportunities? Then we are here for you. Oxbridge Spoken English Academy. Feel the fluent speaking, basic grammar, spoken English, stage courage, personality development. Then hurry up. What are you waiting for? Oxbridge, your search for spoken English training ends here.